Hi, Annalise. I'm Tom with TC Training. Nice to finally catch up with you.
Hi, Tom. Yes, it is, and welcome to PDC Auto. Thanks for coming to meet with me.
No dramas. We spoke on the phone briefly about some training you'd like organised for 3 new staff members.
Yeah, we are a mechanical service centre located here in Orange. We were established in 1990 and have 14 employees. Recently, our business has upgraded its tyre servicing capabilities, which has resulted in growing demand on our services. To help out with that, we'd like to get a few other staff members trained so that they can help our already trained staff.
Okay, so they'd be working with trained staff all the time?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. So what can you tell me about the staff members you're looking to upskill, like their education backgrounds, previous work skills?
So there's 3 staff that have started in the last year. 2 are in their early 20s and 1 is 30, all local guys that completed year 12. Brett, the 30-year-old, worked in the restaurant industry for a couple of years before working here. He's done some food handling training up to a certificate 2 level, but hasn't had any training with us yet. The twins, Jack and Dave, completed school last year, both completing their HSC. At the moment, they're lacking with their communication skills. A lot of the common technology and terminology goes straight over their head.
Okay, yep. With the clientele growth you've experienced, what sorts of tasks will the group need to assist with? Sorry.
So we see a lot of trucks, semi-trailers, farm machinery, and that sort of stuff. This makes up about 3/4 of our clients needing fittings and repairs. The rest of the work is light vehicles. We need this group to be able to assist with things like forklift operations for large tyres and components. There's also all the braking componentry that we like them to inspect and service if necessary once the wheels have been removed. In addition, I'd like to see them be able to balance tyres. Pretty much all steps of the process, they need to be trained.
Okay. So it's light, heavy, ag equipment. They're going to be your main focus, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Also, you mentioned forklift use. Do any members of the group have a forklift ticket?
Yeah, that's our main clients, and no, none of them do, which is going to be a must have to complete some of this sort of work.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. And we're looking for training to incorporate a forklift license as well as braking inspections, and you mentioned wheel balances. And also we want to build on their communication capabilities as well, don't we?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay. Do you have any of the employees, do you know if any of the employees have language literacy, numeracy difficulties?
No, I don't think so. They're all quite capable in that regard.
Okay, no worries. And with the training, are you looking for something that they will receive a qualification for at the end of?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. What sort of time frame did you want them to undertake this training in?
I think we're thinking about the 6 months to a year mark. Do you think that's enough time?
Yeah, I was actually thinking around the same time frame. In regards to the course location, is there any suitable facilities here, like somewhere we can use as a classroom?
Yeah, we have a demountable building that was used when we renovated the lunchroom, so it could be suitable as it has its own toilets, kitchen, tables and chairs. Fortunately, we had an internet connection installed, but all our computers have been moved back into the office.
Okay, all right, fantastic. I'll be able to supply a projector screen, computer for my presentations and some speakers.
Yep, that'd be great. We've got a printer copier located down there still if you want to utilize.
Yeah, that'd come in handy. Now, is there any other tasks that you'd like them to undertake that they may need added to the training, other than anything you've already specified?
Yeah, so I'd like to see them use the inventory log when they're selecting tyres from storage. We've had some issues with staff not documenting what they use, and it's caused some issues with stock take operations and at time shortages.
Yeah, absolutely. I could imagine it would. Maybe we could look at incorporating your inventory log into the assessments. I'd need a copy of the log and, if possible, copies of your safe operating procedures, company's policies and procedures.
Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. I can email them to you this afternoon.
Magic. By the sounds of it, maybe a certificate 2 in automotive tyre servicing technology could be a promising option. A certificate 2 qualification will fit in nicely with your timing preferences. Cert 2 quals will prepare them for routine work that you need completed, but they will still need some direction from the more experienced employees. There are issues with understanding, there are issues with understanding the terminology used should improve and allow them to be able to communicate things better in the workplace. Does that sound appropriate?
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan.
Okay. I'm just having a look here. The package consists of a total of 14 units, 4 core and 10 electives. On completing the training, the group should be able to complete the tasks on light, heavy and agricultural equipment in line with the company policies and procedures. It also goes into safe work procedures, basic troubleshooting, and the tools and equipment they will be utilising. The course material and terminology should suit the group. And yeah, I'm happy to make adjustments along the way if need be. I was just having a quick look in here at the elective units that you have to choose from. And by the looks of it, everything's pretty well covered in here, and we should be able to do that. I would like to look at it a little further and get back to you about that. But yeah, this looks pretty promising. How does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds like you've hit the nail on the head there. We're hoping for the group to make a start in 2 months' time. Would that work for you?
2 months, yeah. That should be enough time for me to finalise things. So after reviewing the notes, I've taken in a little more detail. I'll be in contact with you. Sorry.
Yeah, that sounds really good.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks again for meeting with me. Apologise about that little slur at the end. But anyway, we'll get there and we'll be in contact soon.
No worries. Thanks, Tom.
Fantastic. Thank you. Bye.